Welcome, where your health comes first. Are you tired of waking up to that all too familiar stiffness in your knees? Do you find yourself hesitating before taking the stairs, worried about the ache that might follow? Leg pain, whether it's a dull throb in your joints or a sharp cramp in your muscles, can slowly steal the joy from your golden years, turning simple activities into daunting challenges. Many people believe this is just an unavoidable part of aging and that the only solutions lie in a bottle of pills. But what if I told you that your kitchen holds a powerful natural pharmacy? What if the path to stronger, pain-free legs could be found in your fruit bowl? It might sound too good to be true, but the science is clear. Your body has an incredible capacity to heal and rebuild, and the right foods provide the essential building blocks it needs. Today, we're going to explore 7 amazing fruits that are scientifically shown to boost collagen, the master protein responsible for the health of your joints, muscles, and cartilage. These aren't just snacks, they are nature's tools for fighting inflammation, reducing pain, and restoring your mobility. And stick with me, because the 7th food on our list is a complete game changer. It's one you probably never associated with joint health, but its unique properties could be the missing piece in your puzzle for achieving lasting leg pain relief. Before we begin, please remember that this video is for educational purposes only. Always consult with your healthcare provider before making significant changes to your diet or starting any new health regimen. All scientific sources used in this video are in the description. To understand how these fruits work their magic, we first need to talk about the root causes of leg pain in seniors. One of the biggest culprits is arthritis, particularly osteoarthritis. Think of the cartilage in your joints, like your knees and hips, as smooth, protective cushions. As we age, this cartilage can wear down, leading to bone-on-bone friction, which causes pain, inflammation, and that grating stiffness you might feel in the morning. Another common issue is poor circulation. Over time, our blood vessels can narrow, reducing blood flow to the legs. This starves the muscles of oxygen and nutrients, leading to cramping, tingling, and a feeling of fatigue. Then there's muscle atrophy, the natural loss of muscle mass and strength as we get older. Weaker muscles mean more stress on the joints, creating a vicious cycle of discomfort. The common thread connecting many of these issues is collagen. Collagen is the most abundant protein in your body, acting like the glue that holds everything together. It's the primary structural component of your skin, bones, muscles, tendons, and, most importantly for our discussion, cartilage. It provides strength and elasticity to these tissues. However, after about age 25, our natural collagen production begins to decline. By the time we're in our 50s and 60s, this decline is significant, contributing to reduced flexibility, weaker joints, and persistent pain. The good news is, we can fight back. Research has shown that boosting our body's collagen-building capabilities through diet can make a real difference. A foundational study showed that supplementing the diet with key nutrients could significantly reduce joint pain and improve mobility in older adults. The key is providing your body with the right raw materials, and that begins with vitamin C. This brings us to our first fruit, the humble and powerful orange. When you think of vitamin C, oranges are the poster child, and for good reason. This vitamin is not just for fighting off colds, it is an indispensable cofactor in collagen synthesis. Imagine you're building a strong brick wall. The bricks are amino acids, the building blocks of protein. Vitamin C is the mortar that holds those bricks together, ensuring the wall is stable and strong. Without enough vitamin C, your body can't properly form and stabilize collagen molecules. They become weak and unstable, unable to provide the structural support your joints need. Vitamin C also serves as a potent antioxidant, protecting the collagen you already have from damage by free radicals, unstable molecules from pollution, stress, and poor diet that wreak havoc on your cells. By eating oranges, you're not only telling your body to make more collagen, but also protect the collagen we have. Including a fresh orange in your day or a glass of fresh squeezed juice without added sugar is a simple, effective step towards stronger, more resilient joints and finding that natural relief for your leg pain. Next on our list is a tropical treasure, pineapple. Beyond its sweet, tangy flavor, pineapple contains a remarkable enzyme called bromelain. Bromelain is nature's anti-inflammatory, and it's especially effective at targeting joint pain. Inflammation is your body's response to injury, but when it becomes chronic, it's a primary driver of the pain and swelling associated with arthritis. Bromelain works by breaking down inflammatory proteins in your body, helping to reduce swelling and promote faster tissue repair. A landmark review published in 2004 confirmed that bromelain was effective in reducing joint swelling and pain in individuals with osteoarthritis, making it a powerful tool for managing symptoms. Think of bromelain as the cleanup crew that comes in after a storm. It helps clear away the debris of inflammation, allowing your body to heal and function without the constant burden of pain and stiffness. But its benefits don't stop there. By reducing inflammation, bromelain creates a better environment for collagen to do its job, supporting long-term joint integrity. Enjoying fresh or frozen pineapple chunks in a smoothie or as a snack is a delicious way to harness these anti-inflammatory benefits and help your legs feel more flexible and comfortable. Our third fruit is one we all know and love, strawberries. These vibrant red jewels are more than just a sweet treat. They are powerful protectors of your collagen. Like oranges, they're bursting with vitamin C, but their real superpower lies in their rich antioxidant profile, particularly compounds called polyphenols. As we discussed, free radicals are constantly attacking your collagen, breaking it down and accelerating the aging process in your joints. The antioxidants in strawberries are like a personal security team for your collagen. They hunt down and neutralize these free radicals before they can cause damage. A study in the Journal of Agricultural and Food Chemistry highlighted that the phenolic compounds in strawberries have potent antioxidant capabilities that reduce oxidative stress throughout the body. Why is this so crucial? Because protecting your existing collagen is just as important as building new collagen. By regularly incorporating strawberries into your diet, whether in your morning oatmeal, a midday smoothie, or simply on their own, you are building a powerful defense system that preserves the strength and integrity of your joints, helping you maintain mobility and reduce the pain associated with collagen breakdown. Now, let's move on to a small, fuzzy fruit that punches way above its weight, the kiwi. Often overlooked, kiwi is a unique collagen-boosting powerhouse because it provides a dynamic duo of nutrients, vitamin C and copper. We've established how critical vitamin C is, but copper plays a very specific and vital role. Copper is essential for an enzyme that activates collagen cross-linking. Imagine collagen fibers as individual threads. Cross-linking is the process that weaves these threads together into a strong, durable fabric. This process gives your cartilage and tendons their resilience and ability to withstand pressure and movement. Without enough copper, your collagen fibers remain weak and disorganized, making your joints more susceptible to wear and tear. A 2011 study in the International Journal of Cosmetic Science emphasized copper's role in maintaining the strength and elasticity of collagen. By providing the building block, vitamin C, and the master weaver, copper, kiwi ensures that the collagen you produce is not only plentiful, but also structurally sound and durable. Adding a kiwi or two to your daily fruit bowl is a simple strategy to build stronger, more resilient joints from the inside out. Now for a fruit that acts as both a builder and a repair specialist, papaya. This tropical delight is loaded with vitamin C for collagen production, but its secret weapon is an enzyme called papain. Similar to bromelain in pineapple, papain has powerful anti-inflammatory and tissue repair properties. As we age, the tissues in our joints can accumulate damage and lose their flexibility. Papain aids in a process called debridement, where it helps break down and clear out old, damaged proteins. This essentially clears the way for fresh, healthy tissue to regenerate. For anyone suffering from stiffness or the lingering effects of an old injury, papain can help accelerate the healing process. A comprehensive review on the benefits of papaya highlighted papain's ability to reduce swelling and aid in tissue repair, making it an excellent choice for improving joint health. By eating papaya, you're not just reducing pain, you're actively helping your body repair the underlying damage, promoting healthier and more functional joints. Its soft texture makes it easy to eat, and it blends beautifully into smoothies or fruit salads. Our sixth fruit brings a taste of sunshine and a dual approach to collagen health: the mango. Mangoes are another fantastic source of vitamin C, but they also provide a significant amount of beta-carotene. Your body converts beta-carotene into vitamin A, another crucial nutrient for cellular health. More importantly, beta-carotene is a powerful antioxidant that specializes in protecting tissues from damage. It works in concert with vitamin C to provide a comprehensive support system for your collagen. While vitamin C helps build the collagen, beta-carotene stands guard, protecting it from the constant threat of free radicals. This synergistic effect was highlighted in a 2006 study from the Journal of Nutritional Biochemistry, which found that antioxidants like beta-carotene are critical for preserving the